Welcome to SmartWave. This video will show you how to delete remote controls. Before deleting the remote control or wireless wall switch, please confirm the model of your remote control or wireless wall switch. Please note that if your remote control or wireless wall switch is a 2-channel device, the setting key for channel 1 is P1, and the setting key for channel 2 is P2. If it is a 6-channel or 15-channel device, you need to select the specific channel first and then proceed with the corresponding channel settings. Delete remote controls, one by one. When you delete one by one, if it is the only paired remote control, it cannot be deleted. Method 1. Step 1. Press the motor's S setting key for 2 seconds. The indicator light turns green, then changes to orange and starts flashing. Step 2. Short press the P setting key on the remote control. The indicator light flashes green 3 times and then goes out, indicating successful deletion. Method 2. Step 1. Press and hold the P setup button on the remote you wish to delete for 2 seconds. The indicator light will flash green 3 times, then turn orange and continue flashing. Step 2. Short press the P setting key on the remote control you wish to delete. The indicator light flashes green 3 times and then goes out, indicating successful deletion. Delete all remote controls. The following procedure will delete all paired remote controls simultaneously. Press and hold the motor's S setting key for 7 seconds. During this time, the motor indicator light will first turn green, then slowly flash green 3 times, followed by 3 quick flashes of green. After releasing the button, the indicator light will continue to flash orange, signifying that all remote controls have been deleted. Careful operation. Press and hold the setting button for 7 seconds, then release it immediately. Holding it any longer may reset the drapery to factory settings. When the orange indicator light is flashing, press the setting button on the remote control once. The indicator light will turn green and flash 3 times, indicating that the remote control has been successfully paired.